Hello guys, this is another display case I got today, and it's a 2-level one and it has glass shelves inside. Let me open it so you can see. So it's right there. I took out the glass because I'm gonna be sanding it and paint it. It's all solid wood, so I'm gonna start by painting, sanding it first, and then and it's in pretty good condition, just that it has some nicks and wear on it, on the wood. So I was thinking I have to paint it, and I have to sand it, of course, before I paint it. So I'm just showing it to you, and you will see it in a little bit. So I decided to go with white right here. So I decided with this off-white. So we'll see how it comes out. This is so far all what I have done. The bottom, I'm thinking to leave it dark red, dark with cherry wood. Only do the doors, since that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna combine the white and the cherry wood underneath for storage. And so the display case is really coming out wonderful. And so I'm close to finishing, but I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and then come back and put a second coat. So pretty much it's almost finished. I'm just giving you a look at it, how it looks so far. It still needs some more painting to be finished, just the touch up to make sure that it's off-white. This is the end project with the display case with storage at the bottom. So the glass is installed already, it's in there. So this is it. It gives it a different look. And the bottom, I didn't paint like I mentioned earlier. I kept it as the cherry wood color. Please don't forget to click on the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me.